The Empava 30-inch gas stove cooktop offers a roomy 5-burner layout that makes it easy to juggle several pots and pans at once in a compact kitchen footprint. Its Italian-made sealed burners deliver steady, controllable flames across a wide range of heat levels, so simmering sauces or bringing water to a rapid boil both feel predictable and efficient. Because the cooktop is built to run on either natural gas or liquid propane and does not rely on electricity for basic operation, it works well in recreational vehicles, mobile homes, and other flexible installations. A built-in flame failure safety system automatically cuts off the gas if a burner goes out, which adds real peace of mind for families that cook every day. The smooth tempered glass surface, sealed burner design, and dishwasher-safe heavy cast iron grates all help cleanup stay quick instead of becoming an all-night chore. Thoughtful touches like clearly marked, solid-feeling control knobs and compatibility with under-counter wall ovens make this cooktop feel like a well-considered centerpiece for a modern kitchen.